Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. The return of Barcelona to the football pitch is so close and I'm sure you guys also must be very excited to see Barcelona return. Today we are going to discuss what are the chances that Barcelona will win La Liga. In recent years, the question was, will we be able to win Champions League, because we have not been able to win it since 2015. Due to this, La Liga became as a mere consolation trophy. Even though we became very consistent in La Liga, we were never satisfied to win just La Liga, and nor should we be satisfied, because for a club like Barcelona, it is almost shameful to not win the Champions League even once since 2015. But this season is very different, because we are already out of the Copa del Rey. There are still doubts over the return of Champions League, and we have a very tiny lead of 2 points over Real Madrid in La Liga. This season, we have been absolutely terrible. And I'm sorry for saying this, but there is no other way to say it. It has been our worst season since 2007-2008 season under Frank Rijkaard. The only reason we are on the top of La Liga is that other teams have also not been consistent. Real Madrid are still to recover from their slump, and Atletico Madrid have also struggled. But the good news is Suarez and Messi both are ready to return on the pitch. We should consider the fact that the break in football has done us a lot of good. Before the break, we had a change of coach, and Quique Setién had to suddenly come into the team and had to change Barcelona's style, while he also had the responsibility of winning games after games. This break has given him some time to properly implement his strategies and figure out what to do and what not to do. This is certainly a positive for us. As we return to La Liga, matches would be played in empty stadiums. This can certainly be considered a positive for us. If we consider just our away form, Barcelona would be 5th in the table with 18 points, which is 7 points behind our rivals Real Madrid. We have lost 5 and drawn 3 of our away games. But you could also argue that Barcelona's home form could be disturbed, but I doubt that will happen, because in a neutral environment, a team like Barcelona has a huge advantage against any other team. As football returns, we will have a new substitution rule, which will allow up to 5 substitutions in a game. Even Quique Setién believes that a rule like this would hurt Barcelona, since Barcelona's game is based on tiring out other teams and most of our matches are decided in final minutes. Since the matches will come in quick succession, our squad depth would really start to matter, and our current squad is very thin. At best, we will have 18 players in our squad, whereas Real Madrid have more than 22 players. Another thing to consider is that we have one of the oldest squads in La Liga with an average age of 27.1. As the season progresses, the small differences would really start to matter. But we can't forget that our fitness has been significantly better than before, and our training sessions are looking very promising. And of course, we have the world's best player who can give us the impetus we need to win La Liga. Thus, I feel that although certain things are not in our favor, we can be optimistic that our chances to win La Liga are better than before, and we can definitely win it if we can effectively manage our squad and avoid injuries. That would be all for today, guys. Stay tuned, because soon I'll be bringing you match preview for a match against Real Mallorca.